Welcome to this video. I'll show you how to fix Arc Raiders online connection error ARAU0137. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now first up, go ahead and go to the bottom right, it's your taskbar. Right click on date and time. Now click on adjust date and time. Wait for it to load. Once it loads, go ahead and go to the top right, click on region. Make sure that you have selected the correct region right here. Okay, once that's done, go ahead and go back. Now click on time zone right here. Make sure again that you select the correct time zone. Okay. If you have the option to set time zone automatically, make sure that you enable this option. Also set time zone automatically right here. Enable it. And after that, you want to click on sync now. Wait for the process to finish. And once that's done, go ahead and go to your search bar and type down network reset. Okay. Click on it. And once that's done, just basically click on this reset now button. Wait for the process to finish. And once that's done, go and play Arc Raiders and everything should work perfectly fine now. And that is it. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.